Domain verification is a simple procedure that lets you claim ownership of your domain in Facebook Business Manager. Basically, it helps you prove that you have sufficient rights to advertise on behalf of your business. There are a few good reasons to undergo domain verification, such as to prevent your domain misuse and enable you to choose what Facebook pixel events will be tracked on your website. After the Apple iOS 14 update, you won't be able to optimize your ads for events like add to cart or purchase unless you verify your domain. In order to verify your domain, you need to go to Facebook Business Manager. Click on the Business Settings button, select the Brand Safety tab, and select Domains from the left side navigation list. Click on the Add button and enter your domain in the Add a Domain pop-up dialog. If you have more than one domain listed, choose the domain for which you want to verify your ownership. Choose the method you wish to use to verify your domain and follow the on-screen instructions. You can find a link to a detailed instruction in the description to this video. To ensure the non-stop run of Facebook ads, undergo the domain verification at your earliest convenience. Before you begin the verification procedure, make sure that you are authorized to represent the business you are verifying. If you represent an agency, ask the business owner to verify the domain and then share it with your business manager. You must be the admin of the business manager you are verifying the domain in. Once the domain verification is successfully completed, you can configure a conversion events for your current and future ads in the Event Manager. If you're running an e-commerce store, we suggest that you put Purchase event on the top of the list. There are many other things you need to set up Facebook ads for an online store. Learn about them from our videos or get RetargetApp and start advertising in less than 10 minutes. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and may the sales be with you.